Right folks, back at it. So, no camping tonight, just at the house. So, I'm not cooking tonight either. Guest chef. So I'll spin you around. Show you who the guest chef is. So, Ryan. So, you've probably seen me out lately and Brian that basically, he's the person that supplies me all this meat. Oh, anyway, some of it's lovely, you've probably seen me cooking things like lamb and burgers and more burgers and steak and you name it. I will not mention that. Well, anybody that's watched one of my last videos will know. Well, I don't know whether you saw the comment, but some idiot comment about the sausages were white and fuck. So, you know how folks, you get blocked. So, we're going to sit down. I was going to say, which cooking in Carl's kitchen tonight? But tonight it's what's cooking in Ryan's kitchen. So, you can. Tremendous, folks. Tremendous. Oh, and Jaffa cakes, oh, and I've got a brew. I forgot the brew, so I've just brought a flask with me tonight. It's a work night, so, or a weeknight, whatever you want to call it. But that's all that matters. So it was pretty wild. I just kind of camped down a wee bit, so. Nice with the hammock tarp set up tonight. So we've done a grand job. Not yet. I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh, look at that. Looks good, doesn't it? It's got all the spices on it already. Still got steak to chop up. Onions. Oh, good old Mexican cheese. Crusty rolls. Lovely stuff. So I'm actually using this new DJI Gimbal thing. So we shout out to Mark, who showed me a few things how to work it, how to do follow me and that on it. So I'm going to try and use that a wee bit tonight, see if I can get the hang of it. Don't know what I think you can film in 4K, but I think I'm just filming in 1080. So, well, I think I am, who knows. I'll be honest, I usually just bring my phone. But it's great, because it just spins around like that, just press a button, and then it does actually work, it kind of tracks you, so it more or less keeps you more or less in the centre of the screen. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But, that's all that matters. Just cran up the hills, lovely stuff, don't go away. So that's a nice view for tonight, out the front of the hammock. So you probably can't make it, Aaron, it's going to be behind the clouds. But last night was, the sky last night was absolutely fantastic. But wasn't it? So, but a lovely wee spot that's just to come up the hills. Like I say, I'm not camping tonight, Ryan is. So this will be first night, first hammock camp, Ryan.
Right. So watched effort, but
that'll get me fine, mate. Get me fine. So Ryan, what hammock did you get again, Ryan? Oh yeah, I've seen them.
That's the one that kind of works on the ground as well.
Yeah. There's that many hammocks now, isn't there? Well folks, that's the steak getting cut up. Oh, you know it's going to taste superb. Mexicana cheese on the top. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells immense. Oh, professional here. So he's even toasting the crusty bread. Look at that. A tasty snacker, isn't he? Oh, look at that. That look good or what? So beef with peppers, onions. What was the kind of marinade?
It was just kind of like a seasoning mix type
seasoning. Crusty bread, Mexican cheese. He's even get the salsa to go on top as well. Oh, look at that. That looks immense, folks, doesn't it? Immense. Oh, last but not least, salsa on the top. You don't get this sitting in the house. and a full crusty bread.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Nice one, Ryan. Hey, mine says bon appetit. Nom nom nom. Oh, I want to make that one night actually. So, sitting back, chillaxing. Big shout out to Ryan. That was a tasty snacker, isn't it? I'll need to make that at some point one night myself. But I'm not staying the night. I'm jealous of Ryan because he's all set up, hammock, cracking view, looking down over the coast, lights are all lit up. I'm gonna have to go and get oh, lucky guy. But back out the weekend, when somewhere different. We're going over the east coast. Well, say the east coast. I'm going over to the east bay. Going to meet up with Johnny Explores Scotland. And Stuart, Scottish Wanderers coming. Eddie, Scott's Wild Camper, he's coming as well. And a wee new addition. We shout out to KDM Outdoors, I think it is. We've been fishing a couple of times. It's been talking to Johnny. Johnny's out camp, so he's going to come out as well. That'll be the first time meeting him. Spoke to him a couple of times online and that, but he's coming out as well, so that'll be a good one. But tonight, just sitting up the local hills, eating awesome big huge steak, crusty bread, roast. Oh, absolutely brilliant, Brian, by the way.
Tell me that tomorrow when you've been off the toilet.
Well, that's true, that's true. But I survived the last time.
That's
with
the chili
oh,
butters.
aye, the chili butter. I don't know what I've done.
I was doing it off. You did send me it. You sent me it, so you can put the two of these together.
Oh, they were spicy. They were like, that's like it. There was an extra hot chili sauce, jalapeno.
Spicy cheese.
Aye, very. Oh, and the good weekend, Johnny said he's going to, when he likes his curries, he says he's going to try the ramen. Is it ramen? He says this is well hot. He says I might even stick a couple of ghost chilies on it. Oh no. That's a recipe for disaster. But we'll wait and see. But I'll be another one. Right now, I'm just sitting back relaxing. The rain's off. It's going to rain a wee bit earlier. 9 minutes to jump up there a wee bit again. But as we always say, it's only a bit of wind, it's only a bit of wind, it's only a bit of rain. It's getting out there that matters.
no intentions of ever being back.
Right. Can't beat Scotland. Best views.
Wales,
Best.
Wales is
Aye, that's a place I'd like to go, I must admit.
southwest of Wales. Oh, phenomenal.
So, Dragon Outdoors, if you're watching, Wales, who's the other guy? Ah, there's another Welsh guy I speak to. That's terrible, I can't mind their name. Is it out in the, not out in the wild? You know who you are. And folks, you know what time it is. It's brew time. Brian's on. Brian, he's on a roll tonight. Nobody else has got Jaffa cakes. So it's time for a brew and a couple of Jaffa cakes. It's 9 o'clock. It's a weeknight, so I'm going to head down the road. But Brian, he's spending the night. First night in the hammock.
Can't wait.
So I'm sure he'll be in that cocoon, man, before he knows it. We'll be a lot of light. Wee bit of wind on the right, but it's not that wind. We're roasting toasty. I'm going to say pack up, I'm going to get anything to pack up for a change. Jump in my car, get down the road, drop a couple of them, we're back to the main gate. Goodbye to me.